Hey folks, I hope you can hear me. The custodian is cranking some Metallica down the hall, so hopefully you can hear me. I pulled this out, and you can see that it is definitely frozen. You can see that frozen stuff as the solution is frozen, and the temperature is now climbing. It's at negative 1.8. It got down to negative 2.2 again, but we're still going to use a negative 3.4 because that was the coldest temperature it got, and that's what you have to use. I would have told you use the coldest temperature you get as your freezing point. Now what happened was when I went to see if we had any crystals on the bottom, by doing that I actually disturbed it to a point where the crystals immediately froze. It immediately turned everything to crystals, and by doing that, by freezing like that, there's energy released. You know that when you go from liquid to a solid, energy is released. If you're going from solid to liquid, energy is gained. So what I did is I ended up releasing the energy into the solution, which warmed the solution to 2 degrees down or up from negative 3.4. And then what happens is because it's already frozen and all the ambient heat that's in this room, I could not get that temperature to go back down to negative 3.4 again, which I didn't expect it to. But it went down to negative 2.2, but we're not using that. This is a lot of babbling just to say that we're going to stick with the lowest temperature we were able to get was negative 3.4. I know you didn't see that, so I will in the next one with the dextrose, I will definitely try to have my video running here, and so you can see the lowest temperature before it starts climbing back up because of the crystallization releases heat. And I got too excited. I should have had my camera in hand when I did that. I used to have to trust me on that lab partner, so use that negative 3.4. All right, at this point it's warming up, and you can see the temperature is now up to a negative 1.5 in that flask. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this flask here with the dextrose, I'm going to put it back in, we'll repack it, and once I've got it repacked, I'm going to watch the temperature drop. That actually took about 15 minutes for the temperature to get down to that negative 3.4. And that would be quite a boring day for you to watch me do that. So I will be back when the temperature starts to get near that freezing point, and then I will make sure that I have my camera in hand so you can see the lowest temperature we can get. All right, I'll be back.